What equipment can easily to upgrade your welding level? Introducing the premium ultrasonic spot welder HS GW35. Simple assembly to sockets for power supply and transducer respectively. One touch start. High definition touchscreen display. Digital generator. Automatic frequency tracking. Adjustable amplitude output. Welding time setting and cooling time setting. Ergonomic shape design. Trigger activated ultrasonic, as it can weld objects by using 35,000 ultrasonic vibrations per second, commonly used in automotive manufacturing, automotive repair and automotive tuning industry. The accurate and professional grade welder upgrades all your welding tasks. Get industry level quality for your projects. If you have more ultrasonic spot welder needs, subscribe and contact us.